I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch Selenium WebDriver. Install the Selenium package and the matching browser driver, then create a new script in your IDE and import Selenium. Start by choosing a browser, set the driver executable path, and initialize WebDriver with desired options. Run the script to open the browser, navigate to a URL, and verify the session. I will walk you through common errors and quick fixes in a friendly, step-by-step way. Configure WebDriver options before launching to avoid runtime surprises and get consistent behavior. Create an options object, toggle headless if you do not need a UI, and set window size like 1366 x 768 for consistent screenshots. Attach logging preferences and timeouts, then pass options when initializing the driver. Test the configuration by opening a simple page and checking titles or elements to confirm the driver responds as expected. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes documentation and code guides easy to read anywhere, even on a commute, and it pairs well with long debugging sessions. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Expect a few common hiccups and know how to fix them quickly so your workflow stays smooth. If the browser won't start, check the driver version against your browser and update either component. Confirm the driver file has execute permissions and is discoverable via path. Add explicit waits or adjust timeouts to handle slow-loading elements, and rerun the script until behavior is stable and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.